Hey yo, welcome back to Smash Burger Smash Pass. This is day number 73. And today we're doing another Pretzel Bun, another Crispy Chicken, another Truffle Mushroom and Swiss. Which means we're having a Truffle Mushroom and Swiss Crispy Chicken sandwich on a Pretzel Bun. They're actually not bad, so I'm not going to waste a ton of your time. We've had a million of these. We only have 27 more days. So yeah. Let's bomb into this. Kapow! Look at this huge crispy chicken again. Oh my god. It takes up. Look at that. So much, dude. Oh my god. That's baller, dude. Even for my least favorite sandwich, this is freaking cool. Mmm. Once again, the pretzel bun definitely helps out the flavoring of the Truffle Mushroom Swiss. It's actually really good on a crispy chicken. Mmm. It actually nullifies a bunch of the flavors that I don't like. So this has actually made this a lot more tolerable than the normal Truffle Mushroom Swiss. Well, it's either that, or the more I eat of these Truffle Mushroom Swisses, the less I hate them. Which would be kind of weird. These chicken sandwiches are easily the best chicken sandwiches you're going to get at any type of hamburger place. I'm just going to say it. I've never had chicken sandwiches that are this good. And I actually eat quite a few chicken sandwiches. I've had them from almost every restaurant because I get tired of, like regular fast food. So if I want to eat, like obviously the crispy isn't the healthiest, but if, like grilled chicken sandwiches and whatnot, this is pretty freaking delicious. Mm-mm. I can definitely deal with that one. But yeah, not bad. That's the best of the chicken sandwiches I've had so far. The pretzel bun has really helped those out a lot. And the crispy chicken, they're just always good. So I definitely recommend that sandwich. The Truffle Mushroom and Swiss Crispy Chicken Sandwich on a pretzel bun. Next day is day 74. So we're almost at the 3/4 mark. Then we're almost done. Yay! And then I can eat other stuff. But oh yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. If there's a smash burger near you, give it a shot. But yeah, I'm probably gonna hop on some Fortnite. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow for day 74 of the Smash Burger Smash Pass. Deuces.